Welcome back. I'm really excited for today's video because we're going to cover one of my favorite topics, the Google Ad Grant. I've helped nonprofits spend over $2.5 million, and today I'm going to share how the Google Ad Grant works and how you can get started. So let's jump in. Let's start by talking about why Google Ad Grant is so important. So Google is the #1 search engine in the world. Hundreds of millions of people are using it every single day to find services, products, and nonprofits. So the importance of Google is that when you're searching for something, you are actively looking for a solution or for a nonprofit. And this is very different than if you see a Facebook ad, which is passive because you're not necessarily looking for it. You might be interested in it, but at the end of the day, when you're actually searching for something, that means that you are in the market to take an action. Maybe you're looking for a nonprofit to volunteer with. That's why Google search ads are so important. And Google gives nonprofits up to $10,000 a month in search advertising so that nonprofits can have the visibility that businesses and other brands are paying to have. So if you understand how you can leverage this amazing digital marketing tool, you can get more donors, more supporters, more volunteers, and more awareness for your nonprofit. Businesses spend top dollar to get on the first page of Google search results. They do this by creating ads where they select keywords and phrases that they want to show up for. So these brands are paying a lot of money so that they can immediately get connected with the people who are searching for what they offer. Similarly for nonprofits, Google understands that nonprofits don't have these kind of advertising budgets, so they want to make sure that nonprofits can still get the visibility that they need so that they can grow, and that's why Google offers the $10,000 monthly search advertisement grant. Now, you might be wondering, how does this grant work? It's not that Google sends you $10,000. That would be nice, but what happens is you create a Google Ad Grant account, and once you're approved, you have up to $10,000 that you can spend every month. So it doesn't roll over if you don't spend it. If you do spend it all, then there's no penalties or loops you have to jump through. It's just automatically set to, once you hit $10,000, it stops it. And if you don't hit the $10,000, it resets $10,000 every month. So if you say, hey Jeanette, I want $10,000 in free search ads every month, here's how you can get started. Step 1 is to look at the eligibility to make sure that your nonprofit is eligible to receive the grant. And if you're in the US and you're a 501c3, the chances of you being approved are really high. There's not a limit of grants that they give out at this time of filming, and so it's really just a matter of the nonprofits that apply and meet all of the requirements. So you'll also need a Google for Nonprofit account. You'll need a TechSoup validation token. TechSoup is an organization that verifies your nonprofit status. And then once you have those things, you'll need to actually enroll in the Google Ad Grant program. And once you're approved, you then need to set up your Google Ad Grant account. So those are the steps of how to get started. And we actually offer a free step-by-step online training. It's free at this time, so depending on when you watch the video, it might not be. But right now, if you're watching this when it's published on sometime in, July of 2019, you can access this for free. We're gonna put the link in our description or in the bio if you're watching this on Instagram. We also help nonprofits apply for the Google Ad Grant and manage the account on a monthly basis if you don't have the internal capacity, but you know that you can leverage this opportunity to get great results. So if you're interested in getting one-on-one services from us, we've also included a description in the link, or a link in our description so that you can check that out more. And make sure that you subscribe to our channel because every Tuesday we release a new video to help nonprofits with their marketing. And finally, if you learned something today, if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps other nonprofits see our videos in YouTube. Thanks for watching.